Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to walk through how to create an order tracking screen using the Ionic Design Kit. If you're a designer or a developer, this kit can seriously speed things up. Let's get into it. On the left-hand side of your screen, we're jumping into the world of coding, using some official Ionic documentation snippets to lead the way. Right in the middle, you'll see the layout, all thanks to the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, we've got a phone emulator lined up, ready to show off what our code can do in real time. Feel free to pause the video if you want to look closer at anything. All right, let's talk about the order tracking screen. It's the screen users check constantly. Whether it's a food order or a delivery, it needs to be clean, clear, and reliable. So how do we build that? With the Ionic Design Kit, it's simple. You get a full set of drag and drop components that already match Ionic framework. Designers can skip building buttons and cards from scratch. Developers get components that match real Ionic elements, so the focus stays on logic, not layout. And yeah, all the code snippets are over on our site. Check those out anytime. Want to level up your app workflow? The Ionic Design Kit helps you design faster, hand off cleaner, and build smarter. It's all about speed, clarity, and getting stuff done without the guesswork. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.